Hi, I'm Kira. Welcome back to the channel. If you're short on time, this is the class for you. These 5 beginner yoga poses are my go-tos, and they will leave you feeling refreshed, mind, body, and spirit any time of the day. I don't think you'll need any props for today, maybe just a yoga mat. A set of blocks could be handy if you have them, and if your knees are a bit sensitive, maybe put a towel or a blanket across your mat because this whole thing is on hands and knees. Let's get to it. So meet me in tabletop position, shoulders over your palms, hips over your knees, and tuck your toes so you get the benefit of opening your feet here too. Cat and cow. Inhale, drop your belly down, arch your spine, look up. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Inhale, cow, belly drops, look up. Exhale, cat, spine rounds. Keep this going. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. And now it's your freestyle moment. You could just keep going with that, or maybe take some hip circles. Just move your body like you, any way that feels good. Trust yourself. Riffing on your cat and cow. Waking up your spine. And then find stillness once again. Our second movement is for the shoulders and upper back. Thread the needle. Inhale, lift your right arm up towards the sky. Exhale, thread the right arm underneath the left, bringing your right cheek down to the mat. A few breaths here. The left hand can stay down for support, or it could reach up or even overhead. Just find what feels good for you. One more breath. Smoothly transition back to all fours. We'll take that on the left. Inhale your left arm high to the sky. Exhale, thread the needle. Left arm under right, cheek to the mat. And even though you're all twisted up, can you find a smooth and even breath, just like you had in your cats and cows? One more inhale. And exhale. Reset all fours. Our third move, lizard lunge rocks. Step your right foot to the outside of your right hand. And if your legs and hips are tight, you might like to use yoga blocks here. From here, shift back and straighten your front leg any amount. Catch a nice hamstring stretch. Inhale. Exhale, re-bend and lunge. Let's keep that flowing. Inhale, lengthen back. Exhale, lunge. Inhale, lengthen back. Exhale, lunge. Add a twist. Float your right arm up, twisting the chest to the right. Inhale. Exhale, lower your right hand, and then come back to all fours, change sides. Left foot to the outside of the left hand, lizard lunge rocks. Drop the hips, and then shift back, straighten the front leg. Inhale. Exhale, rebend and lunge. Twice more. Inhale, lengthen, just to the end of your range. Yeah, that front leg does not have to be all the way straight. Last one. Inhale, lengthen back. Exhale, lunge, add a twist, left arm up, inhale. Exhale, lower the left hand, move the blocks out of the way. Fourth pose, downward facing dog. Plant your hands, lift your hips up and back. It's like an upside down triangle. And be on your tiptoes for today. Let's take some pedals through the legs, stretching the Achilles, the calves, the hamstrings. Maybe moving the neck and head side to side. Breathing through it. Down dog pedals. And then our last pose, child's pose. Lower the knees, Bring them as wide as the mat. Bring your big toes together. Send your hips back towards your heels. Forehead to the mat or forehead to a yoga block if the mat's far away. Now, if this shape bothers your knees, you could try it with your knees together. Just see what feels best for you. And we'll take 3 breaths here together. Last sweet breath in. Breath out. Slowly make your way back to seated. Any comfortable seat that works for you. Bring your palms to prayer and bow your head, thanking yourself for showing up to practice, even though you were crunched for time. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If this was enough for you, I hope you head into your day refreshed and energized. If you'd like to extend your practice, please check out the channel. I've got classes for every level, every mood. So I'm delighted that you're here. Please subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know how this goes for you. I'll see you soon.